how to make group by report in SAP Crystal Report. Here is our query that are displaying the fields full name, job title, department and group name. In the report we are grouped the based of department. Let's copy the query and go to Crystal Report. Here we click the report wizard option. Here click add command. Enter the command. Here we have to choose the fields to display, but I'm not checking the field from select the field from this wizard. I will drag and drop the fields after that wizard. Let me click on the finish. Now empty report is shown. Here only page number is shown and print date. Let's remove these fields and start from 0. How to add group by report. Here is different options: insert text object, insert group, summary, cross tab, insert all app, insert sub report. In this lecture we are learning how to insert group. Here we have to select the field. Here I am selecting department. The second option is in ascending order, descending order, specified order or original order. I am specifying the original order. Click OK. Let me check in the query what is the order that I specified. Edit the command. Here is no order by in the query. Let me add the order by command. Order by. Here my department field is d.name. Let me order by in the query. Now query is order by style. Let me some space from the left side and preview. Now departments are previewed. Let me drag and drop other fields in the Crystal report. Full name, job title and group name. Check the preview. Here the data is shown. Group name is not displaying full. Let me can grow available for that field. Check on can grow. Now full data is shown. In job title, check on the same option, can grow. In full name, check on the option can grow. Also let me turn on that option for group that is a department. Now data is shown at the end of it. Nowadays one is finance. Let me go to the second page. Here you see the remaining data of finance, but here if you have a requirement that group header is you can need to repeat on every page on the top, then we can show here the finance. For this, let me go to the group expert, and here we have double click on our group by, or we can click on the options button. Here we have options. repeat group header on each page. Let me check on that option. Click on OK. Again preview the report. Now finance is repeating on page 2 also. Here finance is starting, and on page 2 finance is repeating. But here you see the empty line is shown. The empty line is because of department name is showing in group header. But if you have any requirement that you have to show department name with full name, job title and group name and no separate line, then this option is present in SAP Crystal Report. For this we have to move section expert and select the group header and check on the option underlay following sections. Preview. Now no empty line is shown. You see only in first line, first row, department control department is shown, document control department is shown, and then all data is shown of that department. Here you see other options are also present. How to change the group by data. Let me go to group expert, and here we have multiple options to change the order by ascending, descending or specified or original order. Here we can change new page after. If we want customize the group name field, we have option. Now you have see the all options of group by. Now we have, maybe you need one requirement to show the serial number inside the group. For that, here we have an option in field explorer, running total. Click on the new option. We can add here full name field and type of summary is count, and evaluate for each record and reset on chain of group. Click on OK. Let me drag and drop that field in the report. Here you see 1, 2, 3 serial number is shown inside the group, and again serial number is shown inside the group. When a department is changed, then again reset from 1. From that way we can generate the serial numbers. If we want the whole serial number, then we can edit that serial number and reset never. Click on OK. Now you have option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 group 1, and then 6, 7 group department 2, and then department 3. First department is document control, second is engineering, and third is executive. From that way we can set the serial numbers for our report. Thank you, that lecture is complete. If you like my video, then please click on the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.